Hello and welcome to Doc AI Academy. I'm Doc, your virtual mentor, and I'll be guiding you through this course step by step. Now, if artificial intelligence feels confusing, overwhelming, or even a little intimidating, that's completely normal. This course is designed specifically to remove that confusion and replace it with clarity and confidence. You don't need a technical background. You don't need prior experience. You only need curiosity. By the end of this course, AI will no longer feel like a mystery. It will feel understandable, practical, and usable. Artificial intelligence is no longer something that belongs in research labs or science fiction films. It already plays a role in how we work, communicate, shop, learn, and make decisions, often without us even noticing. Yet many people use AI every day without truly understanding what it is, how it works, or what it means for them. This course exists to change that. Not by overwhelming you with technical jargon, but by giving you a clear, grounded understanding of AI as it actually exists in the real world. Understanding AI today isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about becoming informed, capable, and confident in a world where AI is everywhere. This is AI Foundations, Level 1 of the Doc AI Academy certification pathway. Its full course title is Understanding Artificial Intelligence from Curiosity to Confidence. And that title is intentional. By the end of this course, you will be able to clearly define what artificial intelligence is and what it is not. Understand how AI learns from data, including the basic ideas behind algorithms and neural networks. Recognize key moments in the history of AI and how we arrived at today's systems like ChatGPT. Identify real-world examples of AI in daily life, at work, at home, and across industries. To use common AI tools to complete simple tasks such as writing, summarizing, and generating content. Understand ethical considerations, including bias, privacy, and responsible AI use. And reflect on how AI can support your personal and professional goals. Nothing here is theoretical for the sake of theory. Everything is designed to build understanding you can actually use. We begin with foundations, building a solid understanding of what AI is and how it works. Beta levels focus on applications, where you use AI tools in real workflows. And finally, mastery, where learners design and automate AI systems themselves. At this level, every module builds carefully on the last. There's no rushing, no skipping, and no assumed knowledge. You're guided step by step, from curiosity to confidence. Learning at Doc AI Academy is fully self-paced. You can start, pause, and return at any time, and your progress is saved automatically. Each module includes short quizzes, downloadable resources, and practical reflections to reinforce learning. And you'll earn the official Doc AI Academy Certified AI Foundations Certificate. At the end of the course, you'll take a final online exam, achieve a score of 75% or higher, and you'll earn the official. This certification reflects understanding, not just completion. This course is designed for beginners who want to understand AI without being overwhelmed, professionals who want to work more confidently with AI-powered tools, students and career switchers exploring future-ready skills, and anyone who wants to understand the technology shaping our world. If you're curious, thoughtful, and willing to learn, you belong here. When you complete this course, you won't just know about AI, you'll understand it well enough to explain it, question it, and use it responsibly. You'll leave with clarity, confidence, and a strong foundation to continue your AI journey, whether for work, study, or personal growth. Go to docaiacademy.com and enroll in the AI Foundations course.